So, looking at USA and Venezuela conflict, a very scary thought comes to mind, all right? And that scary thought being, um, what if all of this is orchestrated, right? What if this is not the truth? Because USA has been a superpower, has been a nuclear superpower since 1945, right? This is common knowledge, history books गवाह है, and सबको पता है ये चीज़ already कि the bombings on Hiroshima and Nagasaki were just not needed, right? वो करवाया गया था to kill thousands of people, but to save billions. And that was USA's notion. And what if this is the same thing? Venezuela is a comparatively very, very small nation, right? वो nuclear power भी नहीं है. So what is the need of all those bombings and airstrikes, etc.? There have been many, many presidents before Donald Trump, right? So why did the war start now? Because tensions तो काफी टाइम से थे. Border security हो गई, healthcare issues हो गया, drugs and narcotics से supply हो गई, everything बहुत टाइम से चलता आ रहा है. And obviously USA has been doing stuff to stop it. But war, bombings, airstrikes, is it really needed? Because now USA will have control over Venezuela's oil supply, which is the biggest oil supply in the world. ठीक है? And the dollar has been steadily declining. Tariffs have been imposed, जिसकी वजह से trade deals इतने सारे cut off हो रहे हैं with so many nations, right? Trump हमेशा से कहता आ रहा है कि वो health care के साथ है, and health care will be one of his main motives while he is president. इस पूरे टेक ओवर को, इस पूरे इन्वेजन को उसने एक हेल्थ केयर वाला रूट दे दिया. But the actual point being, he wants to be the biggest oil supplier in the world. Obviously, it's not confirmed and it's just a thought. But I guess the feeling is too strong, man, for this one. Because अब नहीं आ रहा है कोई politicians के झांसे में. ठीक है? अब everybody can see through the white lies that the governments have been telling us for decades and decades now. Let me know in the comments what you think. Share your thoughts.